Hello everyone, this is Dave from Dave the YouTube channel, and in this particular video I'll be showing you guys how to clear or free space on your Google TV device, especially on the ONN TV box. So this is going to be a wonderful video and I highly recommend you watch right up to the end. So if you find it helpful, do us a favor, like, subscribe and share so that you encourage us to be able to create more videos like this. With that said, let's hop in. So here's my Google TV device, and as usual, I'm using the ONN TV box. You can get yourself any Google TV device. You can use the ONN TV box, the Xiaomi box, the Google TV sticks, or any device that runs on Google TV. It looks literally the same, just like mine here, since they all run on the same operating system. Now, on Google TV, if you go over to your settings and you come down to full settings over here, where you have your system, I come down here, you see your storage. Now there is storage over here, and on Google TV you have on TV box, you have a total space of 8 gigabytes. Now there is an option here that says free up storage, and when you go over to free up storage, there's only two options. There's clear cache, and also there is uninstall apps. So these are the only two options that we have by Google TV that comes with a system on clearing on storage and so on. Now, this can work at times, especially when you want to clear up unused application and cache. Now, but most of the times, your storage might be filled with files like videos, audios, downloaded APKs, and so on. But on Google TV, there is no dedicated way that you can follow to install delete all these files so that you can free up space. That's exactly what I'll be showing you in this video on how to do that, since the Google TV operating system does not have a dedicated method to delete all those files. So let me show you all of that. Now to do that, if you come over to your Google TV, for instance, and I'm going to launch the application that I'm using in this video. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to install the application. So the application I'm using is the File Manager Plus, which is a very simple tool that you can use on your Google TV to manage your files. I did a video the other day about how to manage files with the File Manager Plus, but in this video, we're looking at it from a different angle. So we're looking at it on how to free up space. So if you want to free up space, let's say for instance, if you go over to this File Manager Plus, there's an option here where you see your main storage, and it just gives you this preview like that of a mobile phone, where you go over to your phone and you see all the folders that are in the phone, and also all the files that are in each folders, so that you can know which one to delete if your Google TV storage is full. So let's say for instance, there's another option here that says storage analysis, and in storage analysis it just shows you which of your storage is, or which files are filling or your storage, so you can choose which one to delete, which one to clear, which one to remove, so that you can free up storage. So this for me, this is one of the best tools that you can use to free up your storage or clear storage on your Google TV. So there's an option over here to clear cache files and so on, and there's an option over here to delete large files and so on. So you can use this tool to delete files, especially if you want to free up storage. So you can cover it. If you have audio files, you can delete them over here. If you have video files, you can delete them. It is very simple. Just click on it OK for a long period of time. There's going to be a menu of options that pop up at the bottom, and all you got to do, just click on the delete button down here, and that file is deleted from your Google TV. It is very simple and easy. Now another thing that you might find helpful from the manager is this downloads over here. Now if you sideload lots of applications or install APK files from the internet, you're going to find lots of files that you've downloaded on the internet on this folder. Unfortunately, I do not have any file, but if you've downloaded files, you're going to find them over here, and just as usual, you can delete them to clear out space on your Google TV. So that's another option to clear up space. So clearing up space is just simply deleting files that you are not currently using on your Google TV. So this file manager tool gives you a wider view of all the files that are available on your Google TV, so you can choose which one to delete. And lastly but not the least, you can also choose the applications to uninstall from your Google TV from this option. So for instance, let's say I want to uninstall an application here. Let's say I want to uninstall the code over here. All I have to do is to go over to it and click on it, and you see the option down here that says uninstall. I just have to click on it once. It brings me to the uninstallation page, and I quickly uninstall the application from my Google TV, and it frees up space and also helps me manage my storage. So I believe the File Manager Plus application is one of the best tools you can use to free up space. So now, how do you install it to your Google TV? It's very simple. Go over to your Google Play Store or your add apps. So for instance, I'm going to go over here where it says search for apps and games, and I'm just going to quickly search for the File Manager application. So just type in the File Manager app here and then quickly install. The good thing is that it is available on Google Play Store and you don't need to sideload it from any third party source. So go over here, type in File Manager. Oh my god, what did I type? File Manager, and you're going to get the application. Search for it. Here's the app over here. Click on it and then you can quickly install it to your Google TV. I already have it installed, so that's why I do not have the installation button. So it is over here. It's called File Manager, and then you can quickly install it. Once it's done installing, you're going to find the application on your Google Play Store over here, and you can just start using it. So for me, this is the best tool to use to clear up storage, to fill storage. And also the other things on these apps that you are going to find helpful, like you can add a cloud account. Like for instance, you can add a Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive. Unfortunately, there's no iCloud. But if you want to add your Google Drive account, you can just go over here and click on it and then choose the account that you want to add. I don't want to do that on this video, so that's another tool you can use. And also you can access from mobile phone. I don't really know how this works. I haven't tried it yet, but I believe it can work perfectly, where you need to use or access your Google TV files from your mobile phone. So say start the service to access files from another device. So you can click on start service over here and they'll give you the information to follow. You have to install the application on your other PC or other phone, and then you'll be able to access it from there. So all in all, File Manager is a very good tool they can use on your Google TV device to clear media or clear storage, free up storage, and so on. But also, it has other tools. You can also get a premium if you want to get a premium. I see no use of a premium, but you can get yourself a premium subscription if you want that. But anyway, it just depends on you. So all in all, as I was saying, it's a good tool to manage your storage, to clear storage, to free storage, and also to manage your files, add iCloud account, and so on. Anyway, that's it about this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share so that you encourage us to create more videos like this.